Hi everyone. Today I am doing this video for the Ulta 13-piece free gift that I received with an Ulta collection purchase. First off, you receive this rose gold makeup case. Fairly nice size. Pretty strong zipper, so it shouldn't break. And that's the interior. And it's sort of like got that silky-ish, obviously not silk, but silky-ish interior, but will hold loads of makeup. That is one of the products that you receive. The second item is an Ulta Beauty little palette that has 2 mattes, 2 satins or shimmers, and 2 glitters. You do receive a double-ended sponge applicator with it. I'm not a big fan of those. I did try it and obviously like brushes better. So this one would be an okay palette to throw in your bag, to take when you travel. The Petite Color and the Pinup Girl are fairly light colors. They are buildable. And the Whatevs is, I would say you could use as a highlight under your brow bone or just as a highlighter. It's a very, very pretty color. And the Plum Up, the Autumn Spice, and the Nutmeg are highly pigmented and would make great eyeshadows. The next item is a little tiny Ulta Beauty bronzer and illuminator, which are very pretty colors. Would make great throw in your bag or travel items rather than take a big palette. The next item that I did receive is the matte makeup setting spray. I received this in the original Ulta collection that I purchased. The mist that comes out is almost on the fine side, but it works rather well. I was pretty impressed. And this is, obviously a travel or a sample size. The next item that was in the bag is a matte metallic liquid lipstick. I don't know if that's going to focus or not. And the color is very nice. Obviously a great fall color. Here's the doe foot applicator. And then this is what it looks like on the skin. Has a gloss to it, but not a heavy gloss. And it is a pretty fall color. And that's that item. The next item is a lipstick, and it's a pretty chunky case. And the color is called Stay Fierce. If you can see that with this camera. And I will show you that. Here is the product. You get a fairly decent amount of product in the tube. And I can show you that on my hand as well. Very creamy. And that's there on my hand. Got a little bit of sheen to it. Very, very pretty. Also a great fall color. The next items that were in this free kit were 2 Ulta Beauty brushes. This is a blush brush. I would say it would be for a blush. You probably could use it for a bronzer. You could use it for translucent powders. It's soft, but it's dense, so halfway decent brush. And then this brush is an eyeshadow brush. Here's the brush. And I would say this would be great for the crease. It's a little stiffer of a brush. The next product that I received in the free kit is Limitless Lashes Lengthening Volumizing Mascara. Fairly decent size product. I would open it and show you the wand. I just have so many mascaras in use that I do not want to open this one until I'm ready to use it. This is also a duplicate from my original purchase that came in the free kit, is the brow tint in medium. And I do have light brown hair, so this is perfect. And the applicator is, you know, your typical small applicator. And I did try it, and it works great. It doesn't clump and gets the job done, so that makes me happy. The next product is obviously a sample, which is a gel eyeliner in Blackout. And this is, here you can see the tip. A little chunky. I don't know. I'm not a huge eyeliner person. Rare occasion. Here's the color. It is black. It makes a very thick line, which I am not, when I do wear it, I'm not a big fan of a big, huge line of black eyeliner, but it would be good to maybe use that to be able to fill in the parts that you do want to be big. The next item that I received is a tinted eye primer. Never used a tinted eye primer, so I'm not sure what the deal is with this. This is what it looks like when I put it out on my hand. And for an eye primer, that has got some color, and I don't know if I would use something like that. Tinted eye primer. It says satin blush. I'm not 100% sure on that one. If I would want that on my eyes, I guess if I would, depending on what kind of shadow I was going to wear, what kind of look I was going for, I guess that might help. I'm not a huge fan. And I believe this is the last item that I received in it, which is, I'm sorry, you know, on-the-go makeup wipes. It says they're for sensitive skin, they're gentle cleansing. There's 5 pre-moistened towelettes. This would be great to throw in your makeup bag for a weekend getaway. Great just to throw in your handbag for an overnight, or just to take with you just for general cleanup. Always love those items. I also did receive with this an Ulta Beauty collection, $5 off any Ulta Beauty collection cosmetic or brush purchase. And I think I bought this in August or September, I think August, and it expires the end of October. So that's really not too bad. Save $5. Who doesn't want to save $5? So that's everything in my free 13-piece kit that I received with my purchase that I made previously, which you can find on my Instagram posts and on YouTube. Bye.